A longing waits to play its part. Something deep begins to rise, searching for the open skies. A spark inside that will not sleep, dreams the mind can barely keep, softly pushing to be seen, moving toward what it has been. Let the soul come through the door, let its voice be heard once more. Every whisper, every star finds a pathway through the heart. What was silent starts to shine, filling life with something fine. When the inner truth takes flight, it turns the shadow into light. Often it will pause and wait, standing at the edge of fate. Then a moment breaks the scene, opening a hidden dream. Gentle lure with sudden fire, it steps forward with desire, showing things we never knew, guiding us towards something true. Let the soul come through the door, let its voice be heard once more. Every whisper, every star finds a pathway through the heart. What was silent starts to shine, filling life with something fine. When the inner truth takes flight, it turns the shadow into